and go make them jokes up me now. Me have a bigger reasoning for going about the joke, you know. You think I don't to do with no big C? This is all about money.
Right now, you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
What one again, Unstoppable family? So people may have a video right here from Foota Hype addressing several things. And while me see other persons running with the caption or Foota Hype diss Miss Kitty, or Foota Hype answer Miss Kitty, or address Miss Kitty, or Foota Hype call Miss Kitty fool, I am not running with that part of the video. I am more going because I feel like everything else other than that where Foota Hype said in this video, I find it way more interesting. However, I did leave that part in there for the people them who might be here and wanted to hear what Foota Hype had to say about what Miss Kitty said. But I find something else in there that Foota Hype said to be more interesting, like I said before. And this is it. Foota Hype asked the question, did the Jamaican government hire their own scientists to run tests on this thing that was given to them before them push it in our Jamaican citizens? That's one very, very serious question right there that Foota Hype asked. So people, we are going to jump in right now and take a listen to what Foota Hype had to say. But before we do that, I want to ask you a little favor. Please, if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. So once you upload a video, you will get notified. Come we go here with Foota Hype officer.
More say, on a big man level, I gotta say this. I mean, I want a bad vibe. I mean, I want no ill feelings. I mean, I want no premeditated hatred towards me from the person who I got talk about. Because I honestly, truly rate and love the person. See? I got talk about Miss Kitty now. See? And Miss Kitty is a Piscean like me. See? And I love Miss Kitty. I highly respect Miss Kitty. Value enough her opinions, enough things what she say. I value it and I always respect her as a very intelligent person. Zine. She's a very intelligent person. And you know, she just graduated law school and become a lawyer and rate her accomplishments and things. But lately, she make some speech will make me a question why she do these things. Because on an intelligent level, it don't make no sense. On an open eye level, it don't make no sense. It's like she's being programmed. And then she do it on a level of ignorance. Zine? She do it on a level of ignorance, like brute force kind of thing, like that way they all Miss Kitty deal with it. It make me question her thing now. What me never do before. Cause remember somebody me love me check for Miss Kitty. Miss Kitty is somebody where nobody can do say nothing about Foota, cause she defend Foota from long time. You see me? She always I say Foota a good youth, but at this point, and with what we are dealing with, the way how she come across seems very stupid to me. Zine? Because me I watch a thing, me I watch a whole I watch bits and pieces of it. And she has say she not force nobody to take it and she not say nobody have to take it, but she not chatting with no vaxxers and she don't wanna no anti-vaxxers chat to her and you understand? And then me hear part for myself for she say when you drink NSC, you don't know what make it. See? And when you are KFC, you don't know what them use season it and all these things. But she now realize everything when she say are true. We don't know the ingredients them were in a NSC. We don't know the ingredients them were in a syrup. We don't know the seasoning of the chicken. We don't know all of that. But the difference with that and this joke here what them are telling everything, it is your choice. If you want, go drink NSC at your choice. If you want, drink syrup at your choice. Zine, if you want to eat KFC is your choice. You understand what I'm saying? So, what me I say now, the way she deal with it is like, you have to just go take it, because you eat other things where you don't know where you not eat already, but it's your choice. Like me did addicted to KFC. Zine, me did addicted to KFC. Like, me love KFC chicken so bad. Alright, when I come from jail 2007, and my mother and me in a taxi, mother said she cook ackee and saltfish and dumpling and rare. Me still tell her, stop at KFC at Crossroad, and go buy a bucket of chicken. That's how much me love KFC. Now, nobody not force me to stop eat chicken. Nobody not force me to stop eat meat. I decided to stop eating meat. Zine, I decided that I do not want this thing in my body anymore. You understand what I'm saying? So, me, it was my decision. Now, if Miss Kitty did understand the true reason behind the fact, she would never, ever come out and speak the way she did. And she has speak on taking something where she herself don't fully know what's in it. So, okay, since you say people fit take it because them take whole heap of other things where them don't know what's in it, you can also tell the people them say, you don't have to take it because you don't know when I. So 6 or 1/2 dozen the other. But I rather to take my chances with not taking it based on what me see I go on. You understand what I say? Based on what me see I go on. And evidence that is coming out from. Remember me, you have media come out and say it good, and you have media come out and say it bad. See? So we have to work off our logical belief and work off what we see. We fit. You can't just come out and say, oh, we're not chatting on anti-vaxxers and wait. You're indirectly saying the people them figure take it and stop chat. Now, when you say that, I'll say it in another way there. Foota, I not gonna agree with you. And Foota, I think, is a kind of stupid behavior that people can't read and write them thing there. You understand what I say? I just say think and I just say truth, and this don't make me lose no respect for Miss Kitty, it just make me lose confidence in her reasoning. You understand what I say? You can't come out and reason so, brother. And I saw the reasoning forgot. You understand what I say? Because if Miss Kitty join live right now and me and her talk, I can really sure what the real reason for this thing here, you know. You understand what I say? I just there are certain things we have to be careful when we are say it. You see me? Yeah, we have to be careful with how we put it out there because some things are going and me I learn some things where me not even 100% lucky in pan yet, but the basis of why them are dealing with this joke here, me know already. So when somebody go come out and say, go take it. Why? Because it cannot save me and it cannot stop me from spreading it. So what me I take it for? Obviously, it's not the reason they are telling you to take it. How can something save a life what cannot stop whatever is out there from entering your body? And it cannot stop whatever is out there from going to somebody else's body. Oh, so how is it saving my life? Oh, them say hurricane season are come. And if you want to save yourself, you know. You have to take the joke. And in the same breath, them are tell us that the joke cannot stop you from catch this thing and cannot stop you from spread it. So how save life and take joke coming in the same line now. Me I try fathom the common sense out of this thing. Lady, effects are milder does not mean you are safe. You don't now realize what them play out in the brain. Another word play with you know. Milder does not mean safe. If them I tell you, say, it cannot stop you from contracting me, it can't stop you from get it, then secondly, it can't stop you from spread it. Then why do I need? Listen, you know. Listen. I don't want them say you want the joke, you know. You need the joke. Then if it not stop it, and it not stop it from spread, why do I need it? Why do I need N-E-E-D? N-E-E-D. Why do I need it? The people them clearly tell you, so this cannot cure you. This cannot protect you either. All right. So if you have joint pain, them not have pill out there already and thing were good for joint pain and anything. So if you have stuffy nose, them not have pill and them something out there already for stuffy nose. If you have wheezing and shorter breath, them have asthmatic medicine out there ready. You know. Remember say asthma patient I go up and pump and oxygen something long time. That is nothing new. That is nothing new. So if I ease you want to ease the symptoms, there are multiple other things you can buy over the counter at the pharmacy to ease the symptoms. On the thinking on the brain, good. If this thing's supposed to be a need, because if it was a need, Zine, once you get that, you should have been immune. You should have been bulletproof. You understand what I say? Meaning, once you get that, the way them operate and go on, once you get that, you should have good. No. None of them people here, we are war with you know, say, forget the joke. Cannot hold a proper conversation with me for no platform at all, you know. None at all, you know. Because they themselves do not know what they're telling you to do. Okay. The Jamaican government has been forcing this thing on the people. As the Jamaican government hired our own scientists to review and make sure that what they are saying is in the serum is exactly what's in it. Has the government ever moved to that notion to hire scientists to work for us to make sure that we are not being tricked into forcing something upon the people that is very cruel to the people? Have we done that? Any of the people them we are endorse getting the joke, do they have any proof of what's in this thing? And so say, all right, them say 14 ingredients tonight, pen and paper, yeah, we're going to extract, put it in the lab, extract, comb through it, and make sure say only the 14 there. Remember, say, all of these serums look like water. All of these serums look like water. But yet still, all of them have different ingredients and elements. How them boy you get to add 15, 16 different things, but the whole light look like water. Before we even reach the parts of the UK and recognize it, more want to understand. If you come here and see 5 bottles of water, you think of just water. Or them get other ingredients to look like water. It's called a camouflage. You know what camouflage mean? It a hide in plain sight. See? Camouflage means that there are hidden things within this thing where you can't see with the natural eye. So, oh, are you going to tell the people them say? Them have to take this thing here when you yourself don't know what's in this. Me I wonder how you sit down and make somebody argue something for putting on the body where them themselves don't. No nurse, no doctor, no prime minister, no minister of health, none of them no know what really in a them something here. All them I do, big bro, big pharmaceutical, say at this, you have to give people them take it up. Your big pharma say at this, you know, people take it. Where is the proof that what they say is in this bottle is what I am actually getting? So now, this man I travel to England, Zine, and them say, theme fully vaccination no recognize. So if theme were not recognized when take a Jamaica, and so much thousands of people take it at Jamaica, then who no feel safe now? When you hear the United Kingdom cannot tell you, say, them not recognize that, and at them send it coming up. Them send it come. The government of Jamaica force it for the people them. Now the people them feel safe. I go about them business. Zine, I got take the same people them send it in. Say, when I count that in a brother, you have to take one different one, you know. Then that make sense? That makes sense? So all of you will take it. You still feel safe? You still feel like something good in you? How much other places you know are going to where them say that not good? How much other place you know going to go where them telling you say that joke they not good? So you have to take a different joke. And then them tell you about first batch, second batch, third batch. And then tell you say the Delta, or the Spirit, or the American airline variant. Now have nothing to do with the big C. How you feel, man? How you feel? How you feel? You too coward. You too jumpy. You too frightened. You too, yo, you coward, so. Where black people spirit there. True, if you go on party or go on restaurant or go on game, on the run, go make them joke something, you know. Me have a bigger reasoning for going about the joke, you know. You think I don't have to do with no big C? This is all about money. This is all about money. And next day, I will teach you know how this is about money. Big up on yourself, yeah?
Now, wanna get my point, right? Wanna understand why I said everything else that Foota Hype said, other than addressing Miss Kitty, I found it way more interesting. Yes, him addressing Miss Kitty was good too, because for most of you who probably saw Miss Kitty's address and the way she delivered it, probably didn't come across too good. So Foota Hype's, response to that was okay too, but everything else in the video was way more interesting to me. If you found what Foota Hype had to say interesting, talk to me down below in the comment section. Let me hear what Una have to say about it. Zine, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if it's your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable. I'm out.
Right now, we unstoppable. Unstoppable.